Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Princess Lumina on Dress to Impress. I did use a Roblox and VIP item, but if you don't have it you can switch it up for other items, I guess. I mean, you can use this one and this one and just mix and match it, but this is just for to look very similar to the actual movie itself. No adjustments made. I'm just going to remove everything here. For the hair, I used this one in the back toggle with no flowers, and I just colored it this color, EEB67D. And then for the top, I did again use this Roblox item in the classic, turn off the toggle in silk, and I think I did this pink, FF7EB0. Then I grabbed this umbrella in no pearls. And then I think I did purple. I'm not sure which one I did. I think I did this one in silk as well. Or I think I did glitter. I'm not sure. I'm forgetting. And then I'm just going to color the rest in that same paint color. I think I did use just glitter on here too. Like that. And then for the mermaid tail, I did use the new one, but you can use the old one as well. I'm going to add this new tail in no wings, and I'm just going to color the first one this color, 52A0D2, and then I think I did this pink here, yeah. And then I am going to color that last part pink again. Then I also got the New Year's dress in the skirt only, and then we colored the skirt this in glitter, and then the chains this color D72A78, and then the last just blue. And then for the necklace, I just used a code item, this one in white and matte. You can add more necklaces if you want to. There's no specific pearly necklace, so you can just use this one here. First toggle, just color it matte so it's super pearly white and not gray. I mean, I like it like this, but it's up to you basically. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!